how to transfer your photos to Google Photos on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your photos to Google Photos on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find this three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings, and then just click this one, transfer a copy of your information, and next, and then click Google Photos. Now go to videos and click none, and then next, and now just connect your Facebook with Google Photos. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.